In this video, you'll learn how to find the XRP destination tag on Trust Wallet. This process is essential for ensuring your transactions are processed correctly when sending or receiving XRP. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google homepage. You can do this by typing www.com into the address bar and pressing enter. This will bring you to the main search page where you can begin your search for the Trust Wallet extension. Once on Google, enter Trust Wallet extension into the search bar at the top of the page. After you type this in, press enter to initiate the search. The search results will populate displaying various links related to the Trust Wallet extension. Next, locate the link for the Trust Wallet extension from the search results and click on it. This action will redirect you to the Trust Wallet extension page where you can find more information about the extension and proceed to install it if you have not already done so. After installing the extension, look for the Trust Wallet icon in your browser's toolbar. Click on this icon to open the Trust Wallet interface. This should display your wallet balance and various options related to your cryptocurrency holdings. Now, find and click on the fund option within the Trust Wallet interface. This will take you to a section where you can manage your funds and perform transactions. Look for the Buy Crypto option, which is typically prominently displayed. Once you are in Buy Crypto section, you will see a search bar. Click on this search bar and type in XRP. After entering the text, you will see suggestions related to XRP appear. Click on the XRP option to proceed. After selecting XRP, you should see relevant information about the cryptocurrency. Look for a small text area that displays the XRP destination tag, which may be accompanied by options for other cryptocurrencies like BNB. This tag is essential for ensuring that your XRP transactions are routed. It is important to note that the XRP destination tag is a unique identifier that helps specify the recipient of your XRP transactions. Ensure you copy this tag accurately to avoid any issues during transactions. Also, check your internet connection and available storage if you are using a mobile device, as these factors can affect the performance of the application. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.